Welcome to your forearm special. We're trying to explore today how can you go into forearm stand without jumping, building up the strength, using the right muscles. Let's go. All right, welcome. So I had a request one more time to clarify a little bit more how to get into forearm without jumping. So I'm going to try and make this kind of a preparation, a short and sweet one, yeah? If the mat stays. Let's go. Come to the front of the mat. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, go down. So we're just going to warm up a tiny bit. Step back into downward facing dog. Come forward and back. It's really windy today. Forward and back. Knees, chest and chin. Lift. Try and pull the shoulders back. Chest up. Exhale. Bring your right leg up. Just open your hip. Other side. Lift. Open. Come forward. Plank. Hold for a moment. Breathe. Lift your right leg. Belly to your spine. We're just warming up your shoulders. Lower down, stay up with the right leg. Breathe. I'm looking at millions and millions of ants. Lift up. Exhale. Push back. So far, they're kind to me though. Lift the left leg up, open up your hip. Come back forward with your left leg up. Belly to the spine, round a little bit. Try and create space between your shoulder blades. And just stay here. And lower down. Stay. Breathe. Lift. Shoulders back, chest up. Exhale. Round. Good. Belly to your spine. Okay, one more time. Come forward. Knees, chest and chin. Just stay here for a moment. Lift. Push back. Okay, very nice. So come a little closer with your legs. And let's just lift the leg halfway up. Not all the way split. I know you're just warming up. Just halfway, okay? As far as it's okay for you, there should be a little stretch. Lock your left knee, meaning pull the kneecap up. Relax your shoulders. You feel this push against the floor. This is where you should be working as well in forearm. Lower down. Let's do the other leg. We're just stretching your hamstrings because if you want to efficiently go into forearm, it's helpful. Keep pushing down into the ground. Round your elbows out and down to the mat. So you really like no stress in your neck. Hold the right kneecap up and just keep breathing. Good. Lower down. Come forward. Knees, chest and chin. Lift your chest. Shoulders back. Exhale. All right. So, just get your knees down. Let's try and do a little straightening warm up. Interlace your 10 fingers. Tight grip. Your shoulders and elbows are same width. Now listen. The problem is most people just fall forward when they do go into forearm. You need to like actively learn to push back, right? You see the line, shoulders above the elbows, that's where you should be. But the movement is this. Good. Lift your right leg up. Keep breathing. Push down. Relax the neck. Now, if you're not sliding out, you're pushing the elbows down instead of out, you will feel that there's no stress in your trapezius. Your neck is easy to move. Other side. Left leg up. Keep breathing. All right, ready? I'll give you one stretch. Arms forward. Try and reach the chest to the floor. Push your fingertips into the ground, elbows down. Head in, hands back, push round. All right, one more time, interlace your 10 fingers. Right leg up. Okay, let's slowly move forward. Bring your chin to touch your thumbs and move back. Let's do it 5 times. This is going to be the strength you need. Your latissimus, your pecs, your shoulder, triceps, deltoid. That's 3, 4, 5. Lower down. Knees, chest and chin. Push. One more time. Knees down. Interlace your 10 fingers. The other side, yeah? Left leg up. Come forward. Do it slowly. You want to strengthen, not, repeat mindlessly. There's no sense in mindless repetition. 3. It just, my teacher used to say mental masturbation. I agree. 4 and 5. Slowly push back. Good job. Knees down. I know, most of you, probably hard for you. You're going to push your fingertips down, chest down, breathe calm. Hands down underneath your shoulders. Let's just round the spine for a moment. Try not to squeeze your neck. Try and get your elbows down and out, and then round. Good. Okay, push back, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Come, hop forward, stretch forward, and exhale, round down. Try to be as close to your legs as you can with your upper body. Uttanasana. So this means that your hands can be here, or if you are more flexible, back behind the feet. You're going to get the stomach to touch the thighs. Inhale. Just up. All right, let's stretch your spine a little, and then we go into forearm. Also because this is a nice hamstring additional stretch, so you're going 90 degree. Push against the wall. Lift the chest. Lift your tailbone. Hold the belly to your spine. Come a little closer. Walk up. Your hands. Don't hang into this. Grab the wall and push. Use your strength. It'll pay off. I promise. Grab the wall.
Lift the chin. Pull the butt back.
One more time. A little closer.
If you can, touch your chest. Really pull the tailbone out and pull the chin up. So from both ends, you are bending the spine.
I like to think of young wood. Ooh, that's a big Todd. It's big. Okay. Anyways, let's stretch the chest one more time.
Just stop.
So let's see. Maybe I can make it easier for you, and you're going to use the wall once more. I actually disagree with using the wall all the time, right? But maybe we can take what we just did and make it a wall exercise. So you're going to bring your hands interlaced, your elbows shoulder width apart. You're going to push down really hard. And since you asked me how to come out of the hopping, we're gonna hop one more time, but controlled. You're gonna lift the right leg up. You're gonna bend the left knee. You're gonna try and touch your thigh to your stomach, okay? And now just pushing away from the ground. There's no kicking in the leg that is up. And maybe you can hold here. You know, maybe you can go up. If you are going up, be careful. This is more wobbly because of the hands interlaced, but it's more strong for your untrained shoulders, I'm going to say. And then you bring it down again. Let's do it one more time. Just maybe on the other side. So the left leg is up. Your right thigh is touching the stomach. You want to get that core connection. If you want to do handstand press ups, it's going to be the same. So just press off the floor. Your left leg is not doing anything. It's just long. And if you want to and can, you can go up. That's fine. Keep pushing. Or you just stay in a bent leg variation, whatever you did. And you slowly come back down. Right? So this is like a half hop, half control variation. Let's do that with the hands not interlaced away from the wall. So we're going to bring your hands shoulder width apart, elbows shoulder width. Try not to slide out. That's going to make it harder. If your hands slide in, it's okay. Elbows shouldn't slide out. Bring your right leg up. Bring the left knee in onto touching the stomach and push away from the floor. So this is the variation for all of you who have tighter hamstrings than just doing split right away. Come down. Let's do the other side. I'll show you in 1 minute what you do when your hamstrings are warm or stretchy. Right knee in and just tap, push away from the floor. Now from here, a lot of people sink forward. This is where you need some strength. Just, you need to push. Push, 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 push. And there's literally nothing I can tell you that is going to help you to do that unless you do the posture. But all the rest is technique. Now, if you are easy in almost standing split or standing split, then the whole thing would look differently. Let's stretch one more time so we're not getting too tight. All right, so let's just come into a down dog. You lift your right leg up really high. And then you're just going to bring your elbows down. If you can stand like this, then you can also just leverage the weight forward. I think this is the easiest way to learn to press into an inversion. I do the same with handstand. Because my
upper leg is pulling me up, it can reach forward. Let's do it one more time on the left side. So, down dog, left leg up, elbows go down, bring your hands together if you need to, and just come forward until the weight tips over. It is much easier here than in handstand because you have more weight coming over. If it's still too hard, maybe you want to try and do it in headstand variation and then try again. In forearm, when you feel the movement, then you know the technique and then you apply it to your forearms. Yeah? Good. Okay. Let's jump forward. Squat one more time. Maybe we can stretch one more time our spine. Come into straddle, stretch down. And bring your arms back behind and stretch a little longer. And come into Skandasana left side, bring your arm around, stretch up, and maybe if you can, stretch back. If this is hard for you, just stay up with the butt. It's about the twist in the arm and shoulder. Look up. Relax your right shoulder, relax your right neck. Other side. Woo! I'm in nature. Right arm around. Left hand grabbing. Look up. Lock the left knee. Breathe calm. Left neck relaxed. Left shoulder relaxed. Change. Okay. Go away. Good. All right. So I guess this should be fine. Let's bring one more time your hands down. Let's stretch one more time into the legs. Push your hands down and bring the right leg up and breathe for a moment. We're going to do one last forearm. Left leg. Very nice. Okay, let's do one more. Just for fun. Back into down dog. Your shoulders should have a break now. Interlace your fingers or bring your hands apart. Lift up. And maybe change the shape. Maybe you bend both knees. You need a little bit more stability for that. Or you stretch both legs into like a split variation. You can even change your legs up. Eventually, these exercises will help you to stabilize, but there's no other way than just doing it. Yeah? Good. Very nice. Let's stretch the right arm down underneath. Hips up. Look back to your left hip. And stretch a little bit more into the right neck. Other side. Breathe calm. Look up to the right hip. Stretch into the left neck. Change. Okay. Well, you can go legs up to the wall or do a yoga class. Or maybe this was after your class. I wish you a beautiful day. Thank you for joining.